Hey guys, welcome back to the Loveland Yoga YouTube channel. My name is Bobby, coming to you from our studio in Houston, Texas. Today we have a fast 15-minute flow, which we're calling our crow flow. Really great, quick sequence for some upper body workouts, some core engagement, as well as, just getting your blood moving and providing some mental clarity for you for the rest of your day. So with that said, go ahead and grab your mat, and we'll go ahead and get started. All right, we'll start in child's pose. So bring your big toes together, separate your knees pretty far apart, and extend your arms forward towards the front of your mat. And spread out all 10 of your fingers, and press your palms actively into the ground, just until you feel your shoulders beginning to awaken. And staying right here, just start to breathe really deep and slow in and out of your nose. And then make each inhale big enough that you can really feel your side bodies expanding out to the sides. And every exhale, start to draw your low belly in towards your spine, so you have a slow, controlled, active exhale. And then one like that all together. Take a deep inhale through your nose, fill up through your side bodies. And take a slow exhale, squeeze your belly in towards your spine. All right, now tuck your toes. Lift up to a tabletop position for cat and cow poses. So you got your shoulders right over your hands and your hips over your knees. Take a deep inhale, lift your chin, spread out across your chest. And exhale, curl your back up to the ceiling and look in between your knees. Inhale, roll your chin up towards the ceiling, arch your back. And exhale, curl your back up to the sky. All right, now just keep going like this at your own pace. So you can get a little ahead of me, or you can be a little slow going behind me. And with each pass, just feel your spine slowly warming up, becoming more fluid. And whenever you finish your next exhale, lift up to downward facing dog. And walk your hands a little bit further forward so you have a nice wide position. Set your gaze right in between your ankles, and then begin to lift your heels up and down one at a time. Yeah, it sort of looks like I'm riding a bicycle. All right, just notice how your legs are feeling. Ooh. Okay, from your legs, draw your attention into your shoulders, and then sway your shoulders forward and back a couple of times, going from down dog to plank. And make it really smooth. Feel as if you were just lubing up your shoulders. Yeah, still breathing the whole way through. Yeah. Now walk your hands to the back of your mat, all the way to your feet. And take ragdoll forward folds. Have your feet separated about hip width. Bend your knees until your stomach touches your thighs. Hold on to opposite elbows and sway your hips from side to side. And now spread all 10 of your toes, just to put a little more energy in your legs. Take a deep inhale, lift your spine up halfway, hands to your shins. And exhale, forward fold. 2 more times. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Last one. Inhale, lift up halfway. Draw your low belly in towards your spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up to standing. Reach your arms up high towards the ceiling. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift your spine up halfway. Exhale, walk your hands to plank. That high push-up position. Now spread out all 10 of your fingers. Round your upper back slightly. And we'll count out 4 deep breaths. So take a deep inhale. And exhale, number 1. Take a full inhale. Exhale, number 2. Inhale, press the ground away from you. Exhale, 3. Inhale, micro lift your hips. Exhale, 4. And Chaturanga Dandasana. Bend your elbows over your chest above the ground. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Spread out across the front of your body. And exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your hips high and towards the back of your mat. Okay, look right in between your ankles. With an exhale, press your heels into your mat, really opening up the back of your legs. Inhale, bend your knees, look in between your thumbs. And exhale, step or jump forward to the front of your mat. Inhale, lift your spine up halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand up, reach your arms high to the ceiling. Exhale, forward fold, all the way down. Inhale, lift your spine up halfway. Exhale, chaturanga. Step back to a push-up position. Hover your chest right above the floor. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now take one deep inhale here. Root your palms into the ground. Exhale, press your hips back and towards your legs. Inhale, bend both of your knees, look between your thumbs. And exhale, step or jump to the front of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand up, reach your arms high to the ceiling. Exhale, forward fold. Going around again. Inhale, lift your spine halfway. Exhale, chaturanga, step or jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in all the way to your bottom ribs. And exhale, draw your belly in, pressing the old air out. Once more round, inhale, bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, step or jump to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift your spine up halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand up, sweep your arms to the ceiling, full body stretch. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift your spine up halfway. Exhale, chaturanga, step or jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Yeah. Step your left foot to the center of your mat. Lift up your right leg, three-legged dog. All right, well, take a second just to make some circles with your lifted leg. And you can try it out with your knee bent, or you can do it with your leg straight. Yeah, now re-straighten your leg. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, bring your knee towards your nose. Shift your shoulders over your hands. Inhale, send your leg backwards. Exhale, bring your knee to your right elbow. Give it a little tap. Inhale, send your leg backwards. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale your leg backwards. Exhale, down dog. And inhale, lift your left leg. And exhale, open up your hip. Move your leg around any way that feels good to you. So side to side or some circles. And almost like we're flossing our hips, yeah? Take an inhale and straighten your leg. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose, shoulders roll forward. Inhale, send your leg backwards. Exhale, knee to your left elbow. Pause for 1 second. Inhale your leg backwards. Exhale, knee to your right elbow. Inhale your leg backwards. And downward facing dog. Exhale out. Inhale, bend your knees, look between your thumbs. And exhale, step or jump to the front of your mat. Inhale, lift your spine halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand up. Sweep your arms high to the ceiling. Exhale, forward fold. Staying with breath. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, chaturanga, step or jump back. Inhale, cobra, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And side plank pose. Roll forward to a regular plank. Step your left hand to the middle of your mat. Then reach your right arm up and towards the ceiling. Now spread out your left fingertips and press them to the ground like you want to move the whole earth lower. And then micro lift your hip bones. So not really dipping the hips like that, but keeping the side core engaged and integrated. Now switching sides. Find the lightest landing you can. Walk your right hand to the middle. Turn your left arm up towards the ceiling. And micro lift your hip bones. And just give the pose a moment to breathe. Any little wobbles in your arm are normal. You just let those happen. And with a light landing, regular plank pose. Bend your shoulders towards the front of your mat. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a full breath in to settle down. Take a full breath out just to clear all the old energy. Inhale, look in between your hands. And exhale, step or jump to the front of your mat. Separate your feet to hip width. Grab a hold of your big toes with your index and middle fingers. Nice strong grip there. Inhale, lift your spine halfway, lengthen your spine. Exhale, send your chest towards your knees. Look in between your legs. And then holding right here, return your attention to your breath. Every inhale, let your body expand and fill up. And every exhale, draw your low belly in. That long, drawn out, active exhale. And each exhale might take you a little bit deeper into your legs. And lift up halfway. Separate your feet a little bit wider. And squat down, Malasana, yoga squat. Connect your elbows to your knees. And then press your elbows down to lift up the rest of your spine. Lengthen your low back. And then visualize your breath going all the way to your low back as well. Final pose for our fast flow, our crow flow, right? Place your hands on the ground about shoulder width apart. Connect your knees to your arms, close to your armpits as they'll go, and lean forward until your elbows are lined up above your hands. Okay, squeeze the elbows in towards each other, and maybe you can lift up one foot, maybe both. And then just steady your eyes at one spot that's not moving. If you guys fall out here, no worries, you just hop right back in. It's one of those poses where you just keep trying day after day. And then with your next exhale, step or jump back to chaturanga. Cobra, upward facing dog. Big full breath in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale and fill up your whole body. And exhale to clear everything out. All right, sit up straight. If you got sweaty, towel yourself off. It's nice and warm here at the studio, so got a little sweat going. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, that was our 15-minute fast crow flow. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We got a lot more content on the way. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Thank you so much, guys.